In today's video, I'll show you how to create a bootable USB for Windows 11 24H2 using Rufus. Whether you want to install the latest version of Windows or just have a backup ready, this tutorial will guide you through the process step by step. So, let's get started. Before we dive in, here's what you need. A USB drive with at least 8 GB of storage. The latest Windows 11 24H2 ISO file. Rufus software, free and lightweight. Once you have everything, we can move on to the steps. First, let's download Rufus. Open any web browser and then type in Rufus. Click to open this link. Move down and click on the latest version, and it will download instantly. Rufus is a small program, and it doesn't need installation. You just have to run the X file. Now that we have everything, insert your USB drive, and Rufus will automatically detect it. In the Boot Selection section, click on Select and find your Windows 11 ISO file that you just downloaded. Make sure the partition scheme is set to GPT and the target system is UEFI. Keep the rest of the settings as default unless you want to name your USB drive. Then click Start. Here you can customize some few settings as you wish and then click on OK. Once Rufus has finished, your USB is ready. To use it, simply restart your PC and boot from the USB drive. You can now install Windows 11 24H2 or use it as a recovery tool. And that's it. You've just created a Windows 11 24H2 bootable USB using Rufus. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.